Hey guys, what's up? Tessa here, and today I'm going to be showing you this red light LED face mask. So let's unbox it and check it out. Everything that you see here came inside the package. The first one, we have one light therapy mask right here, which is connected to its controller. That also comes with a micro USB, one charging brick, a carrying case, which makes it super portable and nice and easy to travel with, a portable charging brick, two pairs of eye masks, one in gray and one in black, the Velcro chin straps to also make the mask super portable, and the user manual. All right, so we're going to get into the setup of our product. We're going to take our 3 head straps to be able to put it on and make it super mobile and hands-free. There are different slots through the sides of the mask, 1, 2, and then one right up top. You are going to take the ones with the double top and bottom type loopy right here, and you're going to put that on one side of the mask. You're going to come in from the front of the mask and go ahead and just assemble that way. Velcro that in, follow the contours of the Velcro to be able to put that in there. Go ahead and do the same thing on the other side, coming in from the front of the mask. Great. And then there's that third kind of Lone Ranger strap. That actually will go on the top of the mask right here. And again, that comes through the front of the mask. Going to attach that, and then it will look like this. And then continuing setup for the mask, you're going to either take the gray iPads or the black iPads. You're going to insert them into your mask from the back side. So the back side is this clear side with all of the LED and the infrared lights. Go ahead and squeeze that through here, wiggle it in. I'll go ahead and put the other one in. And there you have it. They should just go ahead and sit in there just like so. Now just getting ready to go ahead and starting to use the device to make sure it's all set up and ready to just plug in. You're going to take the brick that this came with, go ahead and insert that USB connector right in there, find an outlet source, go ahead and plug that in, and then we're going to put the face mask on. Once again, you want to make sure that this light side is on the inside of the face, make sure the lips are through. Eyes, just make sure it lays super nice and comfortably. The straps are going to go ahead and show from behind this time. Cross it 1 over 2, and then this top strap comes on over so it lays flush to your face. That is 3. Once again, you want to make sure that it is comfortably just laying on top of your face and no compression and no smushing. It's supposed to just be a comfortable and relaxing experience. I'm going to go ahead and show you this, making sure that it is connected totally to this portable power bank. We're going to talk about the usage of the remote. So you're going to go ahead and turn this on one time to get the LED lights on. You have the intensity here. So L4 will be dimmer, L3, 2, and 1, and it goes all the way up, the add and the minus goes all the way up to 5. And then you have your time right here to control that. You can press, it goes on for settings of 10, 15, or 20 minutes. When you are ready, you can go ahead and just hit the off button once, and that'll be it. Now, if you are wondering if this product is right for you or not right for you, it is great for patients with acne, patients with psoriasis, sunburned skin, red or swollen skin, loose skin, itchy skin, any type of repair needed for your skin. This is perfect for that. Now, if you do notice a smell when first opening up this product, do not be alarmed. It is made out of food grade silicone, and it is recommended, if you do notice that smell, to leave open for 6 to 8 days, and that smell will dissipate 95%. I hope this shows you everything that you guys need to know about this LED mask. Thanks for watching, and catch you on the next one.